Hi, today I'm going to show you how I personalize my mirror compact. So first thing with working with any type of chemical, especially etch-all, you want to go ahead and put on some gloves to protect your hands and your clothing. So first off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to etch a little design. So give your bottle a nice little shake. And I'm just going to put my name on the top. I just think it would be a cute little thing. And you want to get the tip a little close to the glass. And a little goes a long way. Like that, and you want to get it as close to the glass as possible so when it sets you'll get a nice clear picture. I'm just going to add like a cute little heart on top, just like that, and we're going to wait for 15 minutes. So it's been a long 15 minutes, but I was patient and now it is ready to be wiped off. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with a wet cloth. Usually I'd use a product and I'd put it in the sink to do this, but since we're dealing with a metal compact, I don't want it to rust. So this takes it right off. You want to do a few little swipes, but you can see it starting to etch and there you go. I'm just going to wipe it down. And you'll need a lot of practice with this. I know I did. I actually practiced with chocolate pudding because it has the same consistency as the etch-all, so it actually helped me practice quite a bit. Just don't mix your pudding and your etch-all, and you know, that wouldn't be good. And now we have it. We have our little etch there. It says my name, and you can put anything that you want on top of that.
We hope you're enjoying our personal style series, sponsored by Activa, etch-all, and Judykins. Please follow us on social media and sign up on our website, and you're automatically entered to win one of our prize packages full of products from our sponsors. And as we always say, when creativity knocks, open the door.